Something crazy is happening in the gold market, and you don't need a degree in economics to understand this. Gold market, that phrase, when we hear that phrase gold market, we think of day traders and meetings at the Fed. The real market is taking place several times a year. National coin shows. The biggest shows in this country, the World's Fair of Money, Long Beach Expo, Central States Numismatic Society Convention, the Florida Fun Show. These are the bellwether of the gold market. In the next 3 minutes, I'll show you what the latest national convention tells us about the gold market, and away we go. I'm just like you. I watch all the YouTube channels talking about gold, all the YouTube channels talking about silver. They tell us to watch the Fed closely, watch for the dip and rise in spot price, analyze the upcoming inflationary data. But the premiums we see at our local coin shops and the premiums we see at these massive online retailers, they look like numbers that are drawn from a hat. What is going on? I just got back from the Long Beach Coin Expo in Southern California, and something crazy is going on with gold. This was an enormous show with over 100 dealers and hundreds of thousands of dollars in product changing hands. These national shows are the first step for wholesale dealers and local retailers. If you missed my video and talking about the difference between wholesale dealer and your local coin shop, please check out my channel. That is an important concept to understand. Just know the prices set at these national conventions, they will impact the prices that you and I pay on the local level, because no one wants to spend $2,100 on a gold bullion coin at the national convention and then sell it to you and your local coin shop for a discount. That's not how business works. Here's the crazy thing going on at the convention. This convention is a 4-day event, and on the second day of the event, gold experienced a large dip in price. That is a typical occurrence, and as a result, I expected to see the prices set by the dealers to reflect the dip. That did not happen. And that is crazy. On the first day of the event, gold bullion coins that typically sell for $125 over spot, they were selling for $2,100 per coin. That was the first day. On the second day, when the price of gold dropped, when the spot price dipped, every dealer at this convention held to the $2,100 spot price. That price, it stuck. Now, this is unprecedented. It appeared as if every dealer at this convention met together and decided they would hold at $2,100. Of course, it's impossible. We're talking about hundreds of dealers. Yes, every dealer held to that $2,100 spot, that price, even though gold showed a strong dip in spot price. Please leave me a comment and let me know if you are seeing this on your local level. I read all your comments, and I truly learn more from you than you from me. Here's another crazy thing that happened with gold, and put a smile on your face, because this is going to make you happy. I've told you before that I do not make doom and gloom videos. I do not turn on my camera. I do not create thumbnails to scare you into believing that the economy is about to collapse, so you must go out and buy as much silver, buy as much gold, buy all the bullets you can carry. This crazy part of gold is going to make you happy. Again, if you've been watching my channel, then you know I've spent time recently discussing strategies to negotiate price with dealers. At this Long Beach Expo, I saw a beautiful proof gold Libertad, and the dealer was asking $2,900. This was for a raw coin. I walked away and found another table where a dealer offered the same price. I gave up, but a few hours later, I found a third dealer with the same coin, and this time, instead of asking him what the price was, I asked if he could look up the price on his gray sheet. The gray sheet is a monthly magazine that lists the prices of silver and gold coins for that specific month. Every dealer follows a gray sheet. This time, when I asked the dealer to look up the price in front of me, he showed me that the price was $2,200. And I asked if he would accept that price. He said he would like, to add $50 on top of it. He asked for $2,250. That was a huge difference from the other dealers. So I jumped on the price, and I just wanted to share another negotiating strategy with you. Always ask to see a gray sheet price on this gold. Ask for the gray sheet price on silver. It really helps. And I explained that in 3 minutes. In my last video, MaxStack4901 said, if you're going to have a storefront, your volume has to be high. He says, the base of your business has to be low premium bullion. You also need to watch which collector coins to acquire and flip. He says, I see many shops with all these coins few people want, especially with high premiums. Successful shops, he says, have low spreads, high volume, and are very transparent. Thank you for that comment. And yes, knowing which collector coins to acquire is key. I think some of these shops accept the higher end collector coins on trades, and then they're stuck with them because you and I are unable to spend $1,000 over spot for the coin. Yet, you heard me correctly. Some of these modern semi-numismatic coins go for $1,000 over spot. Whew! Hit subscribe. I post 3 videos per week. Hit subscribe. I don't want you to miss it.